Here's a little pro tip for people that have a water leak in your car, most likely. So you see this condensation. This car was in a flood. We had floods in California recently in the North Bay by the rivers. So this car got stuck in the flood. See this water, how much water is here? Yeah, that's all on the inside. So that means you got all that condensation on the inside of your car, which that much water inside your car means you have a water leak. So if you come out your car and your windshield looks like this, then most likely you have water inside your car. So this one has, I'm gonna pull it apart right now, strip the interior and put the dehumidifier in it. The guy bought it back from an insurance company. Terrible idea. It's gonna be ruined for life. So I'm gonna strip it out and dry it as best I can, and yeah, so just so you know, if you come out and you got this much water running down the inside of your windshield, most likely have water inside your car. All right, have fun. I don't know. Goodbye.